Studying in the USA can be an exciting and rewarding experience. The United States offers a wide range of educational opportunities, top-ranked universities, and a diverse cultural environment. If you're considering studying in the USA, here are some steps and important information to keep in mind. 1. Choose a program and university. Research the programs and universities that offer the courses you're interested in. Consider factors like location, reputation, program content, faculty expertise, and available resources. 2. Language proficiency. Most universities require proof of English language proficiency, usually through tests like the TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, or IELTS, International English Language Testing System, for non-native English speakers. 3. Standardized tests. Depending on your chosen field of study, you might need to take standardized tests like the GRE, Graduate Record Examination, or GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test. 4. Application process. Each university has its own application process and deadlines. Typically, you'll need to submit an online application form, transcripts, letters of recommendation, statement of purpose, and any required test scores. 5. Financial planning. Studying in the USA can be expensive, so it's important to plan your finances. Look into tuition fees, living expenses, and potential scholarships or financial aid options offered by universities. 6. Visa process. Once you're accepted into a program, you'll need to apply for a student visa, usually an F1 visa. This process involves submitting required documents, attending an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate, and demonstrating your intent to study and return to your home country after your studies. 7. Pre-departure preparation. Arrange for accommodation, travel plans, and any necessary medical examinations or vaccinations. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the local culture, customs, and weather. 8. Arrival and orientation. Once you arrive in the USA, your university will likely have an orientation program to help you get acquainted with the campus, facilities, and academic life. 9. Health insurance. Health insurance is usually mandatory for international students in the USA. Many universities offer their own plans, or you can explore private insurance options. 10. Work opportunities. International students on an F1 visa are generally allowed to work part-time on campus during their studies and may have options for off-campus employment through optional practical training, OPT, after completing their program. 11. Cultural adjustment. Adjusting to a new culture and academic system can take time. Be open to new experiences, seek support from fellow students and university services, and engage in activities that interest you. Remember that each university and program may have specific requirements and procedures, so it's essential to thoroughly research and follow the instructions provided by the institutions you're applying to. Additionally, immigration policies and procedures can change, so it's a good idea to stay updated on the latest information from official sources.